Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is an off the board with pineapple papers and it is just a normal process video from obviously Pinterest. So I decided to get this particular layout and I am going to follow it 100% to the T. I keep it simple, I keep it gorgeous, I keep it just, it's a very stunning, simple layout that I haven't done in a very long time, but it is very dramatic once we finish. So before I started the camera, I got out all of my arrows and went to town on getting all of these just put down. If they didn't all get on there, I was fine with that because I come in with other little embellishments that are arrowed theme, and I just have all of them. So all of them are from close to my heart. If there is any of these collections available, like these stamp sets available, I will link them down below. I know some of these are actually almost 100% of them I think are discontinued, but ultimately, I just went through and found all of the arrow type ones that I have within like 3 or 4 of my collections. I just stamp them down with my archival ink because I do gesso with this. Because with the gesso, it makes it a little bit easier to stamp and get a good clean cut. So I took the Stacy's hand right here and did yourself and then love and hello, and those are that's going to be my title. I say hello, love yourself, and I felt that that was perfect for the photo. I guess I didn't even show you the photo, but the photo that I have is I'm in the car. I had a really deep like reflection from the sun, and so I turned it black and white, and it made this gorgeous photo. And when I posted it online, everybody was like, "Why are you so mad?" And I wasn't really mad. It just so happened to make it look that way just because of the reflection of the sun and everything like that. So I'm like, you know what? I am definitely going to scrapbook this one. And when I found this layout on Pinterest, now I'll link the Pinterest link down below. She is called the Darkroom Door. And I do follow her. She does have it's Belinda Spencer. It's actually it's Belinda Spencer, and it's for the dark room. Sorry about that. They make amazing products and all of this stuff. They're the ones that's got all the arrows and stuff on there. And I just really love what I see and how this one turned out and how monochromatic hers was. I did the same. And so what I did is that I used black and white cardstock from Close to My Heart. Obviously, I've got my pen. And the one thing she doesn't do that I'm doing is that I'm boxing in this just to add that. It's a dramatic, I feel like it's more dramatic that way. And that's what I wanted, just because my photo is very, very, very dramatic. Just because of how the sun hit. So I placed it down and I did like 4 of these. And then now I do have where I found black and white pieces in my, see, as you can tell, for some reason I had the sun glaring, and then that's what type of photo I got. So it brings out my face, but it's kind of washed out. You see just my sunglasses, my Ray-Bans, and I'm sitting in the car. I'm waiting for Josh, I think, to come out from work or something. I don't know. And it just so happened to turn out well, and I didn't really, what am I thinking of? I think I really didn't, I'm trying to see how this worked, why it was the way it was. I think he was waiting and it was getting to be close to being dark when I took this. And so I'm I'm just waiting for him to get out of work, and I was driving at the time. So it just looks like I'm just super mad, super irritated or whatever. And I really wasn't, though. So make sure that you go check out everybody that does Off the Board. We have been going strong now. I think it'll be, believe it or not, I think we've been doing this for 2 years now with Crystal over at Pineapple Papers. I could be wrong. We may even be on our 3rd year. I know she started this like 3 or 4 years ago, and then a lot of us have just joined in, and I've been pretty consistent on myself. And look at this. This is like almost done. Like, I'm telling you, like, this is like the super easiest layout I've ever done. And here I am. I did get out some thread, some of my ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby. That was black and white, and I made the bigger arrows that they have on the layout. I didn't have a thicker layout like that, or like stamp, so I used thread, and it works out really well. I was going to use the same thickness on the other side when I put it together, but it doesn't work, so I cut it down. So here it is. I say, hello, love yourself. And then the little black and white banner that I have placed there, it is Write Your Own Story is what it's called. And then that flower I got from a Halloween collection, believe it or not. It was spellcast from American Crafts. So, but yeah, so that's that part of it. And then I do back some of this up on some foam tape and dimensionals, I should say. And and the banner and the paper clip that I put up on the top, those 2 things are from Let's Wander. They were the black and white items, elements that I had. And I do come in with, I don't know, one of the collections from Vicky Booten that had like a bunch of black and gold, like triangles that can look like arrows and that kind of stuff. So I get those out and I just use the black. I don't use anything else, and I stick to kind of the smaller ones just so that it looks right, because obviously I got a white background, so everything should be black. So here I am. That's what I was talking about. I come back in with that, and I'm just placing these little arrows here and there, just the kind of to fill in the gaps where the stamps may not have gone through. And I was going to add some hearts, and I decided not to. And then I take these plus signs and I move them up, because you'll see me get out the Vicky Booten. I've got some paint in a tube that she had back. Oh God, I've had them for a while. And I placed those. I used that as my black splatters. Excuse me. Now, I am coming in. I was trying other things, and I kept saying, nope, I'm going to just stick to that flower and that paper clip as odd, like, different things. And then I'm just placing, like I said, I'm just placing all these little different styles of arrows everywhere, and I'm just looking to see what else I could place. I was going to do some hearts, and then I'm like, nope, nope. And that's when I was like, nope. I started to, and I'm like, nope. I'm going to put them back because it's not right. Let's see here. What else? And then I put that white one back because that don't work. And then I found this little triangle, and then I was like, nope, that doesn't work. And then this is pretty much it. So then I get out my black paint and splatter it all around, and then that's pretty much it. So make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I hope that you enjoyed what you've seen. Make sure you go check out everybody else, and I hope you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.